Welcome back, Carpet Steam Pro. I have a 9-area job today. Whole house basically, except main level. This is the basement area. I have this closet, this room here. Soil level is low. Flight of stairs there. And then we have the 3rd level, or from this level it's the 3rd level. And we have maybe 5 rooms up there and another flight of stairs. I think 2 more flights of stairs. So stay tuned. Second flight of stairs. This is 1 bedroom. Soil level is low. That connects to through here, through a bathroom with carpet, to another bedroom. Soil level is low. Carpets were already vacuumed by the cleaning company. So that's 2. A hallway, a closet. And this one has a small closet, 2 small closets. It's another room. And I'm not sure, could be a family room. Another room here. Soil level is low. Walk-in closet. Another walk-in closet over here. And then this little area right here is a bathroom. It has some carpeting, so we'll hit this area. And that is it for the rooms up here. The hallway is wooden. So, and this room right here, if I didn't show it already, with a small closet. So overall low soil level, so shouldn't be that difficult. Stay tuned. This is what I've extracted so far. So it came out good. This middle area here, if it looks a little dark, that's because that's from wear. That's not soil. So a lot of times when customers purchase new carpet, it may look like nice and shimmery. That's because the light is reflecting off the carpet fiber once it's brand new, but after traffic in the same pattern, it'll wear it out and it'll start to look dull, and it won't look as new as the parts that weren't walked on as much. So stay tuned. red spot right there. Red spots, majority of the time, contain dye, so may not be a guaranteed removal, depending on how long it's been there. It's completed. Second level. Rooms came out great. Those indentions may come out over time, maybe. Not part of our service. This room came out great. This room came out great. This room, that bathroom. Those steps. And this room. Thanks for watching.